Hey guys, I'm kind of doing this just for my own self. My truck was broken into and they tried to steal it. I got zero words, guys. At least they didn't take anything out of the toolbox. It doesn't look like. I don't want to go touching a whole lot of stuff. So my truck was parked at Lancaster, Texas at the Swift terminal. I have no idea how much damage or if anything's missing yet. I'm waiting for the police. They left the window open. I mean, why did you leave the window open? You just caused damage to my... Oh my God. I'll get back with you guys. I'm just gonna wait until the police get out here. See ya. So there's the first officer. There's another officer coming to do fingerprints. There's my truck. This is not a good day. Hey guys, so I have a friend of mine that does repo. He's gonna come over here. He has some plastic in his truck that we're gonna use to get this window up. The cops just left. See, I got black stuff everywhere now. I'll turn the camera around and we'll kind of take a look at inside the truck. They were not able to find any usable prints. There's a lot of prints. The officer that came out said that the guy was an amateur. So, was an amateur. Didn't know what he was doing. So, yeah, there's that, I guess. The front door doesn't work anymore. You have to reach in through the back door. The locks don't work. The batteries don't work. Don't know if the truck even starts. Trying to pull the handle right now. There we go. Alright, let me turn the camera around. Alright, so we're gonna get some window tape on this to keep the water out. It doesn't look like that much water got in here. This paper is not really wet, it's just dirty. So, it had to happen after the rain. That's what I'm guessing. He dusted the steering wheel and everything. I mean, kind of see it right here. There's some prints. You could kind of see the dust and dirt, but nothing usable. He did the gear. He got all up into here and damaged all of that out and did it wrong. You can see he really tried. That door is damaged too. So I got that door and this door. That all has to be fixed. Hopefully it starts up. It doesn't look like they did anything really electrical wise. Just took the whole truck apart. So what sucks, guys, I just drove this. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right this second. That tow friend, he's coming out here. We're gonna get the window up, and then we're gonna ask if we can use the flatbed, take it over to the repo yard, or take it over to my house. I'm kind of hopeful he will do it. I don't know, or not my friend that works there, but I don't know if the owner's going to allow that or not. She was pretty cool when I was there, but Anyway, why do people have to break into other people's stuff? I work really hard for what I have. You guys see my videos, you guys know that. I work hard for what I have. Hey, if somebody here owns a shop or wants to put my truck back together, message me down below. I'll be super freaking thankful. I also have to freaking clean it. I got metal shavings everywhere, fucking powder dust everywhere now. Alright, I'll wait until he gets here, and then I'll wrap up this this video. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of this video. Sorry the camera's kind of shaky. I really just don't give a fuck right now. I'm just really sick to my stomach. Repo guy just left. He didn't really want to be on camera or anything for, I mean, obvious reasons. Just went and talked to the front office. I got a few of my friends that do repo and other car related stuff. They're going to be keeping an eye on my truck. They're going to come through at multiple times during the next few days until I get my truck moved, because it's not going anywhere. Got the window covered with this tape that we use this in towing, so it keeps the water out, it doesn't blow. It's freaking awesome. Okay, this door is completely fucked. This door is fine. This is what's left in my truck. I guess I could close that again. And that, I mean, cop did it really good. I mean, he went and he fingerprinted everything, trying to find prints. And the guy wasn't wearing gloves. I mean, you can semi-tell. He wasn't wearing gloves. But he was just, there's just no readable prints. It was just not good.